All right, good morning, guys. For some reason, can't get my face back on the screen, so this is going to be solo voice today. And today, the 4th, got news I already passed by a couple minutes ago. I like to look at these red folder news. We got PMI. Okay, so we got PMI in 13 minutes. This is not New York time. This is, wait a minute. Oh man, can't you see? This is why it's important to make sure. Yeah, I'm in Central time. Let me see, that was weird. I know y'all saw that. This didn't change. Okay, whatever. So we got PMI in 13 minutes. So we'll just do the analysis, see what we got going on, and we'll put it forward. I already came in on did this. This is not like a preset. That would be pretty cool though. All right, that's where we're at. The daily. So we are bullish. Yesterday I took the two L's on the third, right here. Right here on the third. That's crazy. It was a bull day, and I took two or three losses on longs, or two losses, whatever. And yeah, so it looks like we're bullish, man. It looks like we're bullish. We have all-time highs. That all-time highs should tell you already that like it's bullish, you know. But let's look at key levels, right? So I understand that a lot of people, myself included, have some type of eerie feeling about trading all-time highs. So what we need to do and look at all-time highs like this, we need to look at them like they're just regular levels, regular key levels, you know, fair value gaps, order blocks, manipulation blocks, wick blocks, whatever you look at, whatever you do, we should just look at it the same way. So that's an all-time high, and I'll label that all-time previous high. Change the colors. Right, so I'll have that marked out. Let's go on the 4 hour and let's try to find more levels. So we got 10 minutes and it looks like there's going to be a fair value gap that's going to be forming here at the end of the 10 minutes. So we can do that. Fair value gap, label it 4 hour. Boom. And you got some more down here, man. I'm only going long today. If there is like some short opportunities, it would have to be like super obvious, super juicy, super good, and then we can play with it. But I'm only going long today. If we look at the time-based liquidity, we can see Asia up. London didn't even come down, just went straight up. New York up. So it's possible that we could see a nice retracement and a push up. However, we're still going long. We're not going to go short to catch a retracement unless if it's like super sexy. But yeah, we're just gonna go long. Look at these key levels on the 4 hour. Got that fair value gap there. We got a fair value gap in here too. I'll overlap that so I can understand where I'm at. Value gap. Boom. 15-minute. So all I'm doing now at this point is that I'm just looking at the charts, looking at price, looking at the characteristics. Look at me logging in. All right, I'm glad those are little bubbles so you can't go on my account and blow my account for me. I'll do that myself. You don't have to blow my accounts. I'll blow it for myself. All right, cool. So as I was saying, I'm just looking at structure, just looking at where price is at, looking at key levels. So I go to the daily just to look at structure and everything like that. All-time highs, bullish. 4 hour, I go here, look at levels and mark out some levels. Look at the structure as well on the 4 hour, which direction doesn't want to go, even though, like I was saying yesterday a little bit, we were in a deep retracement here. So it was possible, not possible, no. So when we were in a deep retracement here, and the 4 hour would have been bearish, or no, it would have been bullish. We're going into a deep retracement, giving a lot of bear momentum. So you can catch the shorts going into the retracement. For example, Like this first fair value gap, it didn't want to go to that one. So we can keep going short until it hits this one, and then we can see how it reacts. And it wants to go deep, 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 and then we can keep catching the shorts until it starts giving us some actual bullish price action. So before we get too far ahead of ourselves, so daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, key level, key level. We can work some more key levels down here, but I don't think by the time it gets down there, it shouldn't be today. But we never know. All right, 1 hour structure, key levels, got those marked out. Now, since I got all my levels marked out, well, no, let me go to the 15 minute. I like marking 15-minute levels too. And where was London at? I want to mark the London low. Oh, look at that. So we got the London low and the previous high right next to each other. That's the only really 15-minute level other than this small fair value gap right here. There's three fair value gaps overlapping right here. This is I'm actually gonna mark it. It's gonna look ugly when we get into it, but that's cool. I'm doing it. TM. Cool. So yeah, so now we got all the levels marked out. So right here, so structure and levels, structure, levels, structure, levels, 15-minute level, and structure confirmation. So if we're bullish on a big retracement and we're only taking longs, expecting price to react off of a higher time frame key level, any of these key levels right here, we would have to wait for the 15-minute to show us some bullish price action. It wouldn't be it would be lower probability to go into a long with bearish price action if the whole structure is bearish on a 15-minute compared to getting a 15-minute price confirmation as a market structure shift, then going long. So on the 15-minute, that's where we are confirming our direction that we want to go. So 15-minute with the 15-minute structure, confirmation, bullish, I want to go long, so that's cool. And that level right there that I marked. So we jump down. You could jump down to the 5-minute too. I don't really look at the 5-minute that much. And then yeah, so we have everything that we need to know. We go to the 1-minute. We wait for price to hit. We wait for our time, which is going to be 9 for us, but 10 New York because I'm in Central. And we just wait. We just wait. And I'll go here too. Oh, we also look at this. Oh, that's a big one. Look at that. I'm gonna be in and out the voice thing. I got babies crying. I got breakfast going for my daughters. It's crazy over here. So I'm gonna be muted. And yeah, we're just gonna watch price. So with the news coming out in like 2 minutes, we can see this trash. If it wants to continue to be bullish, that's what we can see. Or, boom, take out these time-based liquidities, come down, and then come up, boom, boom. Love it. Just watching price here, trying to see what it does. I like the SMT here, the SMT here, and we'll just see. We'll see what price wants to do. Probably gonna jump in a trade soon. Just kind of waiting for it to confirm that it wants to go up a little bit more, or make sure it doesn't want to go down a little bit more. So once it inverts this, I'll most likely jump in. Pretty good area, really, for my automatic TP. It's really good, like that. All right, cool. So I entered the trade right here, as you can see. Everything was bullish. I wanted to go bullish, and I wanted to go long. I wanted price to hit this level or these levels in here. However, it didn't, and it started coming up after news. I guess I got the liquidity that I needed to go up. Maybe so. Maybe it's gonna use me as liquidity. And I saw the S&P divergence right here with this. I saw the nice bullish price action. There was no market structure shift to the upside, but if it happened up here, it would have been garbage. So I was cool with putting some on. And here's my active P&L. So we'll let the trade right out and let's see what happens. So I moved my stops to break even, took that high, and if it wants to just grab liquidity and continue to push down, I'm safe. And yeah, we're gonna go for full TP. We'll go for full TP this time. Actually, we'll go for this high. We'll go for that high. Bring this down a little bit. What I usually like to do though is to find the area where a one-to-one is, because I like to aim for the one-to-ones, and then move my stop once price goes to that one-to-one. So I'll move my sell stop here once price passes that, and then either try to catch, a bigger or trade, or it'll just be a break even. But usually, how would you say it? That happens. So yeah, sometimes it gives me a second chance, sometimes it doesn't. So let's just see what price wants to do. And just like that, I secure the one-to-one, and the price wants to continue to move up from here. Get me some more. We will see. Hmm. And we are done. What a great day. Look at that. Look at that. Great trade today, guys. Great trade today. So we are back to break even. We got 731. Thank God for slippage. Pretty sure. Pretty sure I got some slippage up of that one. And yeah, so let's go to. Hopefully there was nothing personal on there. Not even yearly, as you can see. Unprofitable garbage trader. Where's my monthly? Oh, look at that. God dog. Love it though. Love it, love it. So 7319, 731. Look at that. Doesn't look that bad anymore. I love it. I love it. So let's we'll update it at the end of the week, the account balance. So we'll go over, we'll do a recap. I don't know why that's still there. Thought I deleted that. So focused on price action. All right, cool. So let's go over what I saw and what I did to take that long. So weekly bullish, all-time high, daily bullish, all-time high. Took out the equal highs. I consider those high, equal highs. So took that out. Wants to keep going up. All-time highs, still bullish mindset. 4 hour bullish structure. Was expecting some more of a retracement maybe, but not today. It's all good. Maybe later. Bullish on the 4 hour. These key levels marked out, so I'm still thinking bullish. Remember, this is higher time frame stuff, so this is just structure and key levels. 1 hour, still higher time frame, structure, key levels, 15 minute. Use the 15 minute as a confirmation on which direction you want to go. I want to go long, bullish. Where's the structure at? I mean, where's the key levels at? Right here. Cool. So we're waiting for price to come down here, hit these levels, then come up. All right, that's what I wanted to see. And when news came out, that's kind of what happened. So we dropped down to the smaller time frame, the 1 minute, because that's where I trade on. And we're just waited, came down, didn't come into the key level, which had me like, kind of shooketh because it likes to do that to FOMO people in. I have a FOMO problem. And when people FOMO in, then it comes down to the key levels, uses us as liquidity, then moves up. So I was kind of shooketh when I saw that gap right here. I was like, But we are in remember, we are in this gap as well. So price could come down, reuse this area, this gap to refill it, to get all that liquidity, all those orders, whatever it wants to come back up. And I saw the SMT here with yes, I saw this come down and I took the SMT right here, marked it right here because as you see, ES took these lows. However, NQ did not take those lows. So I was like SMT, cool, little fair value gap right here that people were short from. And I had the mindset that once price inverts this, because it has a SMT, which is a bullish characteristic for longs, and once this fair value gap gets inverted, I was like, cool, I'm going in. So as you see, it started to invert it, and right when it started to invert it, that's where I entered the trade and just aimed for these highs, full TP. And yeah, we had a good day, man. We had a good day. So that was it, man. And I'll most likely catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.